Hey, it's Corey from Cody Media. I help restaurant owners get butts in seats. In this quick video, I want to share post ideas that you can do on your social media in case of another COVID shutdown. Last spring when things were shut down, a lot of people were asking, what should I post? I'm not sure what to do on social media. And so we've learned a lot of lessons, and as we sit here in November 2020, it's looking likely something could happen again. So I always believe it's important to hope for the best and prepare for the worst. So that's what we're going to cover today. But first, if you could do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe and notify me button below, that'll help more people discover this channel so we can help more restaurants. Now, ideas to post. A lot of these ideas are inside of the Restaurant 365 marketing planner that I have. I'll drop a link below, but you get 365 ideas of what to post for your restaurant. Now, first, let's talk about where and how to post these things. I am a big believer in doing live video and stories. Why those things? Facebook and Instagram love these ways of doing things. They like pictures. Pictures are good, but they will show it to more people, what we call reach. It's shown to more people. Live videos and stories. Think about stories. They're always at the top of your Facebook or your Instagram feed, right? So it's more likely that people are going to see those. So that's the first thing. The next one that I think is really important to post about are your safety measures. All right. So this was something that these posts were really, really good. Last spring when we were working with restaurants, what are you doing to stay safe? Showing, you're doing extra cleaning, you are wearing masks and social distance within the restaurant if you're allowed to have people in the restaurant. What are the safety measures you have into place? If you have contactless delivery, right? That is part of it as well. What's the process like when somebody orders? They pull up, they call and say they're here, they pop the trunk, you put their food in the trunk, and you guys don't ever have to interact or anything with the customer, right? So that's the first thing, really important, safety measures. Number two is how to order, okay? And, sometimes you just have to walk people through and let them know over and over and over again how to order. If you have an online ordering platform like a Menufy or a Chow Now, something like that, it would be good to do a video where you just show people, here's how you order. Here's how to find the different specials, because sometimes people can't find it. It may be confusing, and always, always, always include that link where people can order. So in all of your posts, give a link to the online ordering. Okay, here's today's special, go order here. You're always directing people there. Make it so easy to order. All right, because the more complex you make it, the less likely it is that people are going to take action on it. And finally, and maybe this should have been the number one thing, but showcase your people. When this is happening, we want to support local businesses, locally owned restaurants because of the people. So whatever you can do to showcase your people and have your staff, have your employees in the videos, that puts a human face on it. It makes it more real. And so consider, instead of having pictures of your pizza or a picture of your burger, have a staff member, have a cook, have a server say, hey, here's Tuesday's special burger. It's got this, this, and this, and you do like a live video showing them doing it. Have a server say, hey, here's one of my favorite drinks. You can get it for carry out, whatever it is. But showcase your people, because it puts a human face on it, and those are the people we want to support. We want to make sure they have jobs, they stay employed, and we keep things rolling. So again, like I said, we want to hope for the best, prepare for the worst. And so these are some ideas that you can start implementing if you're trying to think of what to post. But it's really important to stay visible, keep posting on social media so people know you, and when they open up their phone, there's a high likelihood that you're going to pop up on their newsfeed. That's all I have. Please, if you have any questions, drop it in the comments below. Love to chat, love to hear your ideas about what to post. during this possible second shutdown. Hope everybody's having a great day. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.